Witness the incredible construction of a $20 million excavator bucket, a feat of engineering designed for the world's largest mines. This journey begins with massive high-strength steel slabs, weighing several tons, ready to be transformed into a heavy-duty industrial masterpiece. These slabs are carefully selected for their durability and resistance to the extreme abrasive forces encountered in deep earth excavations. The first step involves moving these giants into a massive industrial furnace to reach temperatures exceeding 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Heating the steel makes it malleable, allowing the heavy forging equipment to shape the metal without causing structural internal fractures. Once the steel glows with an intense orange hue, it is pulled from the furnace by a heavy-duty robotic manipulator. The glowing slab is then placed under a 10,000-ton hydraulic press, which begins the primary flattening and shaping. Every strike of the press is calculated by computers to ensure the thickness is consistent across the entire length of plate. This forging process refines the grain structure of the steel, making it significantly stronger than standard cast or rolled metal. After the initial forging, the metal is allowed to cool slightly before the precision cutting phase begins using advanced technology. High-definition plasma cutters slice through the thick steel like butter, following digital blueprints with sub-millimeter accuracy for every single piece. The bucket's side walls and base plate are cut out first, forming the skeleton of what will become a giant. Each piece is inspected for imperfections, ensuring that no cracks or flaws exist that could lead to a catastrophic failure. Now, the main floor plate undergoes a massive bending process, utilizing a heavy-duty rolling machine to achieve the perfect curve. This curvature is vital for the bucket's efficiency, allowing it to scoop through earth with minimal resistance and maximum load. Next, the side plates are aligned with the curved base using heavy-duty cranes and precision jigs to maintain perfect symmetry. Tack welding begins, securing the massive components together temporarily before the deep penetration structural welding phase can finally get started. Expert welders and specialized robotic arms work in tandem to lay down thick beads of high-strength welding wire along every. Multi-pass welding is required for these joints, sometimes taking several days to complete a single seam on this massive structure. After welding, the entire bucket undergoes a stress-relieving heat treatment to eliminate internal tensions created during the intense welding process. This process involves heating the entire bucket in a giant oven and cooling it slowly to ensure the steel remains stable. Once cooled, the bucket moves to the machining center where the hinge points and pinholes are bored to perfection. These holes must be perfectly aligned so the bucket can connect seamlessly to the excavator's massive hydraulic arms and pivot. Now it is time for the wear-resistant components, including the heavy-duty shanks and the massive teeth that take the impact. These teeth are made from specialized alloys designed to self-sharpen as they wear down during thousands of hours of operation. Additional wear plates are welded onto the exterior of the bucket, providing an extra layer of protection against abrasive rock. The sheer scale of this bucket is hard to grasp until you see a person standing next to its massive opening. Every weld is then subjected to ultrasonic testing, ensuring there are no hidden air pockets or inclusions deep within the metal. Final grinding removes any rough edges or weld splatter, giving the bucket a smooth and professional finish before the painting. A specialized industrial primer is applied, followed by several layers of high-visibility, corrosion-resistant paint to protect it from the elements. The bucket is then fitted with its final hydraulic sensors and monitoring equipment to track wear and tear in real time. This technology allows mining operators to predict when maintenance is needed, preventing costly downtime in the middle of a shift. The finished product is a $20 million engineering marvel, capable of moving hundreds of tons of earth in one scoop. It is now ready for transport, a logistical challenge that requires specialized heavy-haul trailers and several escort vehicles for safety. Upon arrival at the mine site, the bucket is assembled and mounted onto one of the world's largest hydraulic excavators. A final series of field tests ensures that every hydraulic connection and structural joint is performing exactly as it was designed. The $20 million bucket begins its life of service, working 24 hours a day in the most demanding environments on Earth. From raw steel to a mining giant, this is the incredible story of how the world's most expensive buckets are forged.